We don't understand the origin of 85% of all the gravity of the universe. It's not black holes, comets, stars, planets. It's none of the above. It's gravity with no known source. A mysterious pressure in the vacuum of space that is forcing the universe to accelerate in its expansion. This dark energy in the future will render the universe so large, having accelerated so significantly that all the galaxies of the night sky will have accelerated beyond our horizon.
It's just the idea that empty space itself has energy. In every little cubic centimeter of space, whether or not there's stuff, whether or not there's particles, matter, radiation, or whatever, there is still energy even in the space itself. And this energy, according to Einstein, exerts a push on the universe.
There's one kind of energy. What general relativity tells us is that not just matter gravitates, but energy gravitates. Any kind of energy you have produces a gravitational effect. But all normal kinds of energy produce attractive gravity. There's one kind of energy that produces repulsive gravity, and that's the energy of nothing. It turns out empty space isn't so empty. Once we combine quantum mechanics and relativity, empty space is a boiling, bubbling brew of virtual particles that pop into existence and out of existence in a time so short that you can't see them.
Dark energy, unlike matter or radiation, does not dilute away as the universe expands. The amount of energy in each cubic centimeter remains the same even as the universe gets bigger and bigger.
All the galaxies are the source of our knowledge of cosmology, of the Big Bang. Everything we know about the history of the universe comes to us from these galaxies. If they accelerate beyond our horizon, the next generation of cosmic explorers will only have the stars of the Milky Way to think about. And there would have been an entire chapter of the universe ripped from their view.